Hello and welcome to the training session on updating the class attendance once it is marked. For this, you need to ensure that you have at least marked the attendance for the day so that you can update it. So let us see the steps to do the same. Click on the M star button and select Module Attendance. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that we are now working in the attendance module. Click on the button Activities and select Class Attendance. This is the same screen where we mark the attendance for the first time. Once the screen opens, select the academic year, select Session. The moment you select the session, and if you're using a class teacher's card, the class, section and attendance taken by appears automatically. Since we are not using a class teacher's card, we have to select the class and section separately. So select class, select section, and it displays the list of all the students. By default, it shows us the current date. But if we want to update the attendance of a previous day, then click on the button next to date and a small calendar appears. Select the previous date or select the date by clicking on the date, and the new date appears in the date field. In the calendar, you can also select a previous month by clicking on these arrows. See, if we click on this previous arrow, it changes the month, and to go forward, we click on the forward arrow. So, let us select a date. Next, select the attendance taken by. The moment we select the attendance taken by, it shows us the message informing us that attendance for the selected date has already been marked for the selected class section. Do you wish to view the attendance? To update the attendance, we need to view it first. So, click on the Yes button. On clicking on the Yes button, it shows us the attendance that we had marked for the selected date. Now, let us update the attendance as we want. So, for a particular student, let us mark absent. Just click on the status present and it changes to absent. After changing the status as required, you can click on save. Now, if you further want to change the absent status to the next status, then click on the absent status and it becomes leave. The multiple statuses that are applicable to your class section will appear in the summary section. In case you want to change the leave status back to the present status, click on the leave status and it will ask you whether you want to change the leave status back to the present status and delete the leave application. Click yes to make it present. But since we wanted to update the attendance, let us click it and make it back to absent. Click for other students also as required, and after updating the attendance, click on the Save button. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. And let us see the attendance that we have just updated. Select academic year, select session, select class, select section, and it gives us the message that attendance has already been marked. Since we want to view it, click yes and it shows us the list of the students and our updated attendance is also being shown. Click on the Clear button and repeat these steps for other dates as well. You can update the attendance as required for the class section. You cannot mark the attendance or update the attendance for future days.